Welcome to our room. Let's explore, shall we? Okay, we shall start from the left here. Microwave oven. It's nice. What's this? Utensils for kids. Extension wire. Ooh, nice. Cooking utensils. Nothing yet. Here's that Landromat at level 1 lift lobby. This free rental games. Okay. This is the fridge. Let's open it. Okay, the ice area. And I don't think that's complimentary. It's a pay. Okay, let's move on to this side. Okay, you have the sink there. So there's open dishwash. So as well. Okay, so put your plates. Ooh, this is very good. Water dispenser, hot and cold. This is the coffee maker. Let's more utensils. We're told we have each of its set here. These are complimentaries. Very nice island table here. 2 stools and a few benches. No benches. Stools also, yeah. Okay, now we move on to the kitchen area, dining room area, yeah. Dining area. As you can see, it's 3:30 right now. Oh, the sofa. Nice. This is the living room. Wow, look at this. Absorb this, yeah. The television is there. Very spacious, I tell you. And very nice. This is the field view. Okay, let's move on. Let's go on to the first bedroom here. 2 single beds. Television is here. Okay. Wardrobe. Let's check it out. Oops. Okay. Umbrella. 2 extra pillows. Oh, a torchlight. And a hair dryer. We have some hangers here. Okay. There's a sliding door for the toilet. Let's open this. Oh, nice. Oh, look at the range. Oh. Whew. Okay, we requested a handicap one. That's nice. This toilet with bidet. Not sure what that is. But yeah. Lovely. Okay. Let's close this. And go to the other room. It's another door for the handicap toilet. Okay. To the master bedroom. Wow, amazing. Okay, just from the left here. Nice. Very convenient. Okay. This is the toilet. A few tissue papers. This one. Can't wait to use it. Okay, with some colorful towels. Yeah. Right. Let's move on to the master bedroom. Okay. This is the cover for your things. Okay, there's a safe there. Hair dryer too. Watch light, umbrella, hangers, and also 2 sets of pillows. Yeah. Okay, the television is here, and we have a swing. Nice. Okay, how about we look at the king size bed. Cozy. Can't wait to lie on there. Okay, I guess this comes to the amazing part. The outdoor. Oh, it's a bit heavy to push, but that's okay. Wow. This is our view from our room. Oh, this is so well designed. The swimming pool's down there. Nice. By the way, we are at the 2nd floor, yeah? That's the 3rd and 4th on top. More benches. It's pretty nice. The view from outside to inside. Yeah. Alright. Hope you enjoyed our room tour. By the way, this is at CSC Changi. Alright. So that's it. Hope you like it. Bye bye.